Your accurate forecast from Adam Bell starts now with Storm Tracker weather on Montana's news station.
Welcome back out here live on the weather patio. We're actually looking at my feet, but the reason why we are is I want to show you that the pavement here, or the concrete in this case, on our weather patio, not really seeing much snow accumulation, but we started seeing snow about 8:30 this evening, and you can see that we are starting to see some of that accumulation on the grassy and unpaved surfaces, and that's where we're seeing that accumulation now. But as we go into the overnight hours tonight, expect that accumulation to actually occur on the roadways as well. So very slick conditions expected as we go into the overnight hours. Let's take a look at the snow totals. You can see for yourself that we did pick up quite a bit of snowfall across southwest Montana. In fact, Big Sky, the south area of Big Sky, 12 miles or 12 inches of snow actually, and we go all the way down to 5 inches in Dillon. Bozeman area in the Gallatin Valley, not a lot of precipitation in terms of snowfall, about a trace or so far this evening. Winter weather advisory is in effect until noon tomorrow, below 6,000 feet. That does include the valleys, including Bozeman, all the way down toward Ennis as well. Visibility is also going to be reduced for 3 to 6 inches of snow by mid-afternoon tomorrow. Above 6,000 feet and across the mining city, winter storm warnings, 10 to 20 inches of snow. And as you already saw, places like Anaconda at 11 inches already confirmed that winter storm warning. Finally, an avalanche warning is in effect until at least 6 a.m. tomorrow as well. You get all this fresh snow. Usually whenever you get fresh snow on top of the snowpack already out there, it makes things very unstable, and that's exactly why they issued that avalanche warning for at least the first half of the day tomorrow. Now, as we look at the big picture on the satellite radar composite, watching that southwesterly flow, bringing in some snow across the area, we will continue to see those conditions continue to bring snow overnight tonight into the first half of tomorrow. 20s in the mining city. Anything liquid on the roadways quickly will be turning to ice. 34 over in the Bozeman area. Let's take a live look with our first Interstate Bank iCam. You can see the visibility is reduced on the Bozeman iCam this evening because of that snow. Similar setup over in the mining city as well. We've got plenty of the white stuff out there, and the roadways are also slick as well. So you see Montana Street there looks pretty slick. I guarantee you it will be as you head out tomorrow morning. So plan for a much longer commute. Lots of accidents over in the mining city. Already talked about that, so just play it safe. Let's go back to the satellite radar composite as we look at the big picture across the Pacific Northwest, watching for lots of snow to move in tonight into tomorrow morning. Clouds and precipitation cast also does the same thing. Still heaviest snowfall up in the northern central part of Montana, but we are still looking at a good opportunity for some white conditions tomorrow morning. But by the early afternoon into the evening hours, drying out. Next storm system out toward northern California, southern Oregon, headed our way for later in the week. May not make it here, may not be enough moisture. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but it looks like a midweek event giving us the opportunity for much cooler conditions. As we look at the forecast for tonight, we are going to see temperatures dropping down into the 20s over in the mining city, 15 over in the Wisdom area. Snow showers, additional accumulation still likely as we go into the evening hours as well. As we go toward tomorrow afternoon, 32, that's the best we can do in the mining city. Flurries, maybe an additional inch or so of accumulation, not expecting a lot of snow at this point, but there still could be a little bit more for the first half of your Monday. In the Bozeman area, several inches of snow still possible tonight, mainly on the unpaved surfaces, but as temperatures drop, expect an icy commute for your Monday morning. 31 is the best we can do in Bozeman. Belgrade, 32. Yellowstone, just 22 degrees. 7-day forecast time, we are looking at start off to a very cool 7-day, but then we warm up very quickly after that as well. Much cooler conditions moving into southwest Montana. Looking at very mild temperatures, mid to upper 50s by Saturday and Sunday. So not too much to complain about overall, but watch out. Spring starting, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, 11:14 p.m. tomorrow night. Judy?
All right, thanks, Adam. Well, coming up, a Bozeman